A Japanese cruise ship confirmed that a passenger aboard the vessel has tested positive for the coronavirus disease. Yuki Kigozaki has the details.
NYK Cruises Company said that passenger has tested positive aboard a cruise ship that departed from Yokohama port. Due to the incident, the scheduled cruise will be cancelled and make an emergency return to port on Saturday. The individual who tested positive is in his 60s from Tokyo and was reported to have not made any contact with any other passenger except a family member who tested negative. With respect to guidelines, passengers have been required to remain in their cabins, with the crew providing meals. Last year, a similar incident happened aboard the Diamond Princess cruise ship, wherein several people have tested positive for the virus. 以上、日本から報告いたしました。Yuki Kikuzaki, SMNI News, Japan.